Hey guys, welcome back. We are gonna do this look today. I have Demi Lovato. Let's try. Like I said, we're using the same palette again. You know, the series that I'm doing, it's like a punk edition, and this palette is just like the best right now for it. So yeah, that's why I got it. But anyway, let's start with the colors. So it's like a blue and purple look, so I wanted to start light on the crease. So you want to start with the pink, one of the pinks. It really doesn't matter which shade you're using because you're gonna be building up anyway most of the time. So I guess you can see what I'm doing here, building up color. Alright, so if you have some blending brushes, you're gonna need them because we are blending as we go. You see me switching up from small brushes to big fluffy ones to distribute the color evenly through the crease. That way they blend together. But we are just blending on the crease right now. We're leaving the lid a little bit clear for now for the cut crease that we're gonna do with the concealer later on. So I use the Wet n Wild concealer. This is the Photo Focus one, very cheap. The concealer will allow the next color that we're gonna put on the lid to pop even more. So you'll see shortly we're gonna move on to the blue color. Using a small flat brush, I picked up this royal blue and we're gonna start it off below the crease and build up there before we go with our finger and pat some more to make it more intense. With crazy colors like this, it's very hard to blend because it becomes like a total different color after. So you just want to, blend, but don't go crazy. Also, I know that sounds crazy, I know. I do have this palette. It's like the Makeup Academy palette. I think it's the metallics, electric metallics or something like that. And I'm using that dark blue color. But it wasn't that great, so I went over it again later with the BH palette again, with the blue one, the shimmery kind. And here I am cleaning up the edges with my concealer brush. Use the same powder you use under your eyes to make a clean cut and wipe everything away. This time I'm using my NYX Noir eyeliner. We're just gonna make a wing and pray that they come out even, but they never do, so. Yeah, I don't like it. This is a Wet n Wild black pencil, like always. Just doing a little bit of nose contouring. I'm using the Kat Von D palette. I love this X Fiber mascara, it's very nice. I just used the YouTuber Edition Eyeliner lashes. I used them so many times, yep. Demi had a very pale lip, very pale pink, so I was trying to do that. I had to use a couple different items, products. That was the Jordana lip liner in fuchsia. I love the Jordana ones. They're freaking cheap. I couldn't know the name of that elf lipstick, but it's the purpley kind. Oh wait, we're not done. We have to glow up. This is the only highlighting palette I use. The only. Hey guys, sorry for the sudden change in you know, the video, but I wanted to say thank you to everybody who subscribed to me. I am so not weirded out, but like surprised that anybody subscribed to me. I mean, anyways, I'm 20 away from 100 subscribers. Like, so if you want to subscribe, please do so. I want to hit that 100. Anyway, I guess that's all I wanted to say. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like my video. That way I know that you're liking this punk series that I'm doing. I hope you like this look too.